In a reactive world, emotional control is power. But most people don't understand what power really is. When people hear the word power, they think of control over others, influence, status, dominance, being louder, being stronger, being more visible. But real power does not look like that because controlling others is unstable. Controlling yourself is permanent. The illusion of external power. Most people chase external power. They want recognition, attention, authority. They want others to listen, to follow, to respect them. But external power depends on others, and what depends on others can be taken away. Respect can change. Attention can disappear. Influence can fade. So, external power is temporary. The reality of internal power. Internal power is different. It is control over your thoughts, your emotions, your reactions. It is stability. When things go wrong, you remain calm. When people act unpredictably, you remain clear. When situations shift, you remain grounded. That stability is power. The power of non-reactivity. Most people react instantly. They defend. They argue. They explain. They escalate. And in that reaction, they lose control because now their behavior is dictated by the situation. But controlled individuals do something different. They pause. They observe. They choose. And that choice is power. The power of silence. Silence is often misunderstood. People think silence is weakness, but silence can be control, not reacting, not explaining, not engaging unnecessarily. Silence creates space, and in that space, others reveal themselves. The power of detachment. When you are emotionally attached to outcomes, you lose control because now your state depends on results. But when you are detached, you act clearly. You make decisions without desperation, without fear, and that creates strength. The power of boundaries. Boundaries define control. Boundaries define control. What you allow, what you don't. People test boundaries not because they want to harm you, but to understand your limits. And when your limits are unclear, control is lost. When your limits are clear, respect increases. The power of walking away. One of the strongest forms of power is the ability to leave, to walk away from situations that don't align, not out of emotion, not out of anger, but out of clarity. Because staying in what weakens you is not strength. Leaving what misaligns you is. The power of not needing. Need creates dependence. Dependence reduces control. When you need validation, you lose independence. When you need attention, you lose clarity. When you need approval, you lose direction. But when you reduce need, you increase control. The AME.X perspective. Within the AME.X mindset, power is internal. It is not about controlling others. It is about mastering yourself, your thoughts, your reactions, your decisions. Because when you control yourself, external situations lose influence. The final shift. When you understand real power, something changes. You stop chasing control over others. You stop reacting to everything. You stop proving yourself because you don't need to. Because you don't need to. Your presence becomes calm, stable, clear, and that presence is powerful. Remember something simple. Anyone can try to control others, but very few people can control themselves. And that difference is everything. If you are building emotional control in a reactive world, stay here. This channel is for thinkers. Control your emotions, or they will control you.
Tout est corps! Where's the beast? That's qui a the buckets! Yes! Lead us! To come and drive! You can't run from this!
I didn't do anything!
Lies! You're coming with me now! Get off me! Move! Through the exit! No!
I can't stay here like this. What am I waiting for?
Brothers! The storm gathers, but our fire burns! Aye. Then march with me to victory!